Find the equation of the chord having x1, y1 as its midpoint. Write the proof. Y square equal to 2x. 4a value 2. A value 2 by 4. 1 by 2. Given point P 1 comma 1. Listen. Equation of the chord having x1 y1 as its midpoint. Note that point. x1 y1 as its midpoint. So we apply the formula S1 equal to S11. We have 4 chapters: circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. In all 4 chapters, same formula. Equation of the chord having x1 y1 as its midpoint. Remember that one. x1 y1 as its midpoint. Equation of the chord S1 equal to S11. S is identically equal to this one. Y square minus 2x. Substitute the values. Y square y into y1 minus 2 by 2 x plus x1. S11 means direct substitution. Y1 square minus 2x1. This is S1. This is S11. Substitute the values 1 1. Y into 1. 2 cancel. X plus 1 equal to y1 square minus 2 into 1. So y minus x minus 1. It becomes to minus 1. It is plus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Y minus x equal to 0 or x minus y equal to 0. Next, bit number 53. Listen, write the bit also. The ordinate of a point on the parabola y square equal to 18x is 1/3 of its length of the lattice rectum. 1/3 of its length of the lattice rectum. Then length of the subtangent subtangent at the point. First listen, this is the given parabola. Point is not given, but indirectly ordinate is 1/3 of its lattice rectum. Listen, this is P point, x comma y, that is x1 comma y1. Ordinate is 1/3 of lattice rectum. In any parabola, length of the lattice rectum is fixed, 4a. So given 4a value 18, 1/3 into 18 equal to 6. So we know the y value 6. Substitute this value in the equation number 1. 36 equal to 18x1. x1 value 2. Therefore, P point 2 comma 6. This is x1 y1. We know in the junior inter what is the given question? Subtangent. What is the subtangent formula? Subtangent equal modulus of y1 by m subnormal y1 into m. What is m? M is the dy by dx, slope of the curve at that point. So junior inter topic. First calculate dy by dx. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. 2y equal to 2y into dy by dx equal to 18 into x value 1. So dy by dx at the point 2 comma 6 equal to m, that is 18 by 2y, 18 by 2 into y value 6, dy by dx 18 by 2y at the point 2 6. So 6 3 times cancel. So m value 3 by 2. Subtangent equal to y1 by m. y1 value is 6 by m value 3 by 2. 6 into 2 by 3, that equal to 4. Next, previous subset bits. Exercise number 2, first bit. Second exercise, first bit. Given s equal to 1 comma 0, directrix L equal to x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. S is given. S. ఏంటమ్మా
ఏంట్రా
and L, S and L. In all chapters, that means parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, when S and L are given, S and L are given, SP by PM equal to E. We apply that formula. SP by PM equal to E. So, P is any point. So, SP, distance between the 2 points. PM, perpendicular distance from P to directrix. So, SP by PM equal to E. Note change. Let PXY be any point. Equation of the parabola. SP by PM equal to E. SP equal to, in parabola chapter, E value is always equal to 1. SP, distance between the 2 points, under root x minus 1 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. This is SP. PM, perpendicular distance from P to L, modulus of x plus 2y minus 1 by 1 plus 4 SP by equal to PM. Squaring on both sides. Root 2 square cancel. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square equal to x plus 2y minus 1 whole square by 5. By cross multiplication, 5x square minus 10x plus 5 plus 5y square plus 5y square, a plus b plus c whole square formula, a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2 into x into 2y, 2bc, 2y into minus 1 plus 2ca, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So 5x square minus 10x plus 5 plus 5y square, x square plus 4y square plus 1 plus 4xy minus 4y minus 2x. Bring RHS into LHS. 5x square minus 10x plus 5 plus 5y square minus x square minus 4y square minus 1 minus 4xy plus 4y plus 2x equal to 0. Write minus 4xy, y square values plus y square, x values minus 8x, minus 8x, y value plus 4y, constant 5, minus 1, 4, equal to 0. ఒక నిమిషం అమ్మా.